The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Golden Arrows 1. Umdlalo Betway Premiership Match Day 19. Also for Mamelodi Sundowns. Bobsin. Zikhona most teams go 18 games, huh?
18 games?
Yeah, zikhona teams go 18 games.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Yeah, I believe so. But zikhona teams go 18 games, but now there's 11 more games still to play for the title chasing two teams, Orlando Pirates and also Mamelodi Sundowns. Obviously, ubukela umdlalo we-Sundowns. Besibukela umdlalo we-Sundowns, but masingene kuwo ubone njalo umdlalo. But uright mfumhlo wami? Ungathanda ukubuza ngempilo.
Right, 2-1, but nginkinga yalama light yaseloftas man.
Skiphana.
Lama light awekho right man. Sometimes kuyenza ukuthi nabo linemen bangasaboni kahle, nabo referee bangasaboni kahle.
Kwenze ngento.
Lama light awekho akafani nawase eOrlando shini. Yeah. Nethi ngiyasho lama light kumele bawulungise shini. Khanye kahle kubonakala shini.
Oh, ufuna khanye mhlobo.
Khanye kubonakala.
Because zikhona into oreferee bangasiboni, bangaziqapheli.
No, abekho wrong. Just ngisho lama light ne problem nalama light waseloftas. Alright mara.
Okay, bobuzile.
2-1 ithi ngibulise madoda le studio Shane. Ngikubulise now ngiyacabanga ukuthi alright Shane akunasidingo sokuthi ngakubuza ngwana wami.
I'm okay my brother.
Yeah.
I'm okay. Let's dive into it. Ubone njalo umdlalo namhlanje?
Yeah, Shane. Umdlalo namhlanje Shane ngiyacabanga ukuthi uma ngithi ngibheka iqembu leMamelodi Sundowns Shane. Ligcine kudala kuluza eLoftus last season. I think liwina wonke ama game of 15 eLoftus kuse Slaughterhouse lapha. This season I think draw abanayo Orlando Pirates eLoftus. So good difficult man ukuthi i-team ingathola 4 points kuMamelodi Sundowns. It's not easy. It's either bathola 3 points or iSundowns ithole 4 points or 6 points. Yeah. Lokho ngakubuze Soweto iSundowns yakwazi ukuthatha 12 points eSoweto. So into engizama ukukutshela yona ukuthi ucoach Manqoba uzamile Shane, but uma ungabheka the way Sundowns icale ngakhona icale kahle kakhulu Shane first half. Ngicabanga ukuthi ucoach Manqoba uzamile ukuthi ufuna ukuyibamba ngecounter attack iSundowns azame ukupakisha lela bhasi, because ngibheka abadlali abafana nabondlovu lineup yakhe encwadini ibeka nge-4-3-3 but udrop abadlali abaningi babuye bazodefenda. That is why ubona abojian nabo Mabasa uma ngabe mhlawumbe i-Arrows ayinabhola bazama ukubuya bafuna ukuvala lesa space la emuva la kumele kujoine khona labadlali abosise ukuthi babuye bazobajoina bavale lesa space. So kube nzima for ucoach Manqoba. That is why enze sub first half uma ungayibheka leya sub, because i-midfield ye-Arrows bengakhoni ukudila nale midfield eMamelodi Sundowns, because uMatthews beka inkinga ngapha kumafuneka uma ungabheka bekuye emdlali yena noAubrey ebekade bahlupha kakhulu kulama side. So coach Manqoba, it was difficult for yena ukuthi angaba ne-attack, because ukuletha uMatthews ngapha ka right namhlanje most of the time siyambona dlala ka left, but namhlanje ucoach umletha ka right. Ngicabanga ukuthi umqondo wakhe usethi no man, ithi ngizama ukuthi ngimdrope kancane umdlalo ofana noNdlovu, because uNdlovu most of the time udlala ngapha, but namhlanje bese kabaleka adlala as a 10 afuna ukujoina uDiong. You understand la khona bekubuye ku front 3 yabo bekuye uNdlovu noDiong noMachwele. You understand, I mean uVan Roy beka no Van Roy, uMachwele bekalandela uVan Roy ngasemuva. So the way iSundowns ngibona iplana ngakhona for ucoach Manqoba ingendlela ngicabanga ukuthi bazame ukuthi bamlethe kulama attack wakhe ukuthi akabuye azodefenda. Uma abuya azodefenda ngikhani iSundowns iletha abadlali abafana nabo Debs. That is why ungabheka lo mdlalo amdonsile ucoach Manqoba umdlalo bekadlala as a 6 lo bekumele ukuthi at least avale lesa space a protect leya defense, but abo Debs beba add more numbers, because uOpri uyumdlalo odraga leya defense uShezi odonsa uShezi ukuthi akabuye then kuvuleke lama pockets la khona bafuna ukuzodlala khona abadlali beSundowns. You know lela goal mabalishaya Shane uTebza umrembo la score lapha lidlalwe badlala abawu2 ama wing back weSundowns. La khona kuno Mtawu kuno kunoModiba. So labadlali uyabona ukuthi bebangena phakathi bazama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi we must add numbers up front so bakwazi ukuthi nabo abadlali be Golden Arrows babe emove. So coach Manqoba uzamile Shane but it was difficult for yena because simbonile second half uletha abadlali mhlawumbe abane attack after aqeda ukuthola leya penalty ubonisile aletha abadlali abafana nabo Sithole ufike waba inkinga Sithole kulela side la right ulomdlali ebengicabanga ukuthi ufuna ukunikeza Arrows something because bekakhatha indwe bawazi ukuthi nale penalty ibuya kulela side because bese babonakala bamo kuleli side la kaOpre la khona first half bebangezi kulo but second half bebaza khona because uletha Bonguse uethi number boxing but it's too late. Sundowns ina one man down njengoba sibone umdlalo ofana no Jaden aphuma nga red card it was a red card Shane speedy recovery kumachwele ngiyacabanga ukuthi leya injury izoshesha ingamkhiphi yellow egemini you understand because ngibonile lela nyawo Shane bekunze cisha amphulile Shane sele kancane amphulile so ngiyacabanga mina Shane ngendlela ngibona ngayo ukuthi iSundowns beyideserve le win because bakwazile ukufight abana 10 players enkundleni la khona ngibona ucoach Maletha bo Allende try ukuthi azame ukwenzani ukucontrola leya game but kune problem ezoba khona going forward Shane Mamelodi Sundowns players baqala ukungabi discipline ngamakhathi ngiyacabanga la makhathi azoyi affect iSundowns going forward because the way bathola amakhathi ngakhona ngibona no Tabs asewuna 2 games kuyalandelana uthola amakhathi uJaden maqeda ukuthola red card unomdlali uObas uku-injara sazi ukuthi uyobiya nini so uyabona ukuthi kancane badlali bathola ama suspension yambona lapha ebenchini no coach Carlos uthola i yellow card kusho kona ukuthi kunzima Shane yile sikhathi sale season la khona kwenzeka yonke into Shane.
Yeah, but going into lo mdlalo xa ujonga ilineup yeSundowns is strong enough ukuthi they can put Golden Arrows to the sword but imehlo lapho benjoye khona the bench of Mamelodi Sundowns I saw Themba Zwane I saw Abo Leon there was Usaleng there were about 5 attacking players. Utsiki Tabeleng was also there at this stage of the season obviously normally I mean because new season it happens ukuthi players certain players key players are out injured but for Mamelodi Sundowns those key players are sitting on the bench izabaleka kangakanani bobuzini going forward into ukuthi ube let's say 90% of your squad fresh bengenas injuries.
Kuzoyinceda Shane but kunalento ngihlala ngisho ukuthi kunalento sibiza chemistry kunabanye abadlali angeke uba uchange ngalendlela mhlawumbe ufuna uchange ngakhona abadlali yes ba good bahleli basebenchini ngiyasho ngithi esikhathini esiningi nokuyiwina ileague ngabadlali ababiye benchini but not everyone ozofika umlethe lapho ukuthi expect ukuthi ulethe inumber eningi kunabadlali kumele ukuthi ifitness babe banayo kuleyo team yakho so uma ungabheka njenga namhlanje ucoach ngiyacabanga ukuthi yena bekazama ukuletha fresh legs kulabo abadlali uma balethe benchini but for me bayidropile kancane because ukuletha uLeon kulesa space saka Reiners uReiners une speed ukudlula uLeon and now you allow iGolden Arrows ukuthi ibuye futhi because uLeon ukwazile ukuthi umdlalo ofana noGian bakwazi ukudila no Leon banomabasa but ukhumbule ukuthi kuReiners bekunzima for bona because uReiners bekathena nabo eboxing and beyakwazi ukubathatha bamikise wide aphinda azodlala eboxing it was difficult because uma uletha umdlalo ofana no Leon ngiyacabanga ukuthi ugood mangabe unabadlali abazomdlalisa going forward because uyazi ukuthi uLeon ugood ngama run none but uReiners ngiyacabanga ukuthi if bekamkhiphe kancane Shane ukuthi ayibambe leya defense eGolden Arrows ukuthi ingakhuphuki ngale speed saka Reiners ubonile uNchabeleng ungenile but ufuna abadlali abazoba more aggressive because now une red card and we are leader nga 2-1 so bazoza kuwe so udinga abadlali abazokunikeza something ukuze ukuthi ba stop leya attack yeGolden Arrows but let's give credit man ku coach Cardoso ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukuthola leya 3 points bekubaleka kakhulu for yena Shane because uyabona ukuthi isimo sinjani lapha phezulu Shane.
Yeah, bobuzini is that your phone ringing?
My phone? No, nazwanga kahle Shane.
Okay.
No, i problem yas Shane.
Okay. No, I okay.
Lesikhathi esikuso sesizini.
Yeah.
Unokuzwa into engamelanga umzwile noTsothini.
Uthini so?
Athi call into angayizwa kahle la emahlombe. Isikhathi sakhona Shane.
All right, Mohsin, let's wrap it up. Let's wrap it up. Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns have just beaten Golden Arrows. They shared the 3 points this season because remember earlier on in the season, Coach Mangoba won against his former side, but namhlanje Coach Cardoso said no, not to Loftus Stadium. Then the Sundowns are winning again. 2-1 goals from Ikram Reyners, right?
Yeah.
He scored, and also who else scored?
Kuvulutebza umrembula.
Umrembula.
So Shane tshela mina.
Sure.
Golden Arrows ithole 3 points kuMamelodi Sundowns ba share 3 points.
3 points.
Orlando Pirates 1 point. Ubani ongcono kunomunye against the Sundowns between Golden Arrows and Orlando Pirates.
Ngcono kuluka phezulu mhlaba.
Alright.
Mohsin, let's wrap it up, my brother. Let's wrap it up. It's Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Golden Arrows 1. Umdlalo wethu Premiership. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.